Okay. Susuotin pa natin to. Princess, you go away. Hey, goat. Are you ready? Are you ready to kill by us? So now, sige, you hold it. So this is the goat that we gonna slaughter. You shut up. So now, I will sharpen